Ooh, I am so excited today to share something with you all. I just received this. So if any of you know this black box, this is from YouTube. So today I want to do the unboxing of my plaque from YouTube. It says, Ask Debbie About Hair, presented to Ask Debbie About Hair for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now here's the thing, I'm almost up to 300,000, but I forgot to get it. And so they finally sent it to me. So again, I am doing my opening of my new plaque. I'm gonna find somewhere in my office to put it, but I said I wanted to do this video because I needed to thank you. All of you who have subscribed to my channel, who support me, who love me, who trust me, I want to thank you so much. And I am going to continue to do my research and give you all the information that I can about your hair and your health. Thank you so much.